Alright, picture this. You're out on a mission, and above you, a drone is soaring silently through the sky. But this isn't just any drone. It's packed with cutting-edge tech that's changing the very nature of modern warfare. Let's dive into how advanced military drones are rewriting the rulebook. First up, let's talk about autonomy. Today's military drones are more than remote-controlled gadgets. Thanks to AI, these drones can identify targets, avoid obstacles, and even make split-second decisions, all with minimal human input. That means faster reactions and smarter missions. Now, check out the stealth factor. Modern drones use radar-absorbing materials and clever designs to sneak past enemy defenses. Some are so quiet you won't even know they're there until it's too late. And get this, drones are now working together in swarms. Imagine dozens of drones communicating in real time, sharing data and overwhelming defenses. It's like a sci-fi movie coming to life, but it's happening right now. Plus, with advanced sensors and high-res cameras, drones can scan battlefields, track moving targets, and even deliver supplies to troops in hard-to-reach places. But here's the kicker. With every leap forward, the ethical questions get bigger. Who's responsible when AI makes a call? How do we balance security with accountability? Military drones are shaping the future of conflict, bringing both unprecedented capabilities and new challenges. The tech is racing ahead. Are we ready to keep up? If you want more deep dives into game-changing technology, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay curious.